In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in to your Hotmail account. Whether you're accessing your emails for personal use or managing your communications for work, knowing how to log into Hotmail is essential. So, let's get started with each step laid out clearly. First, you'll need to open your web browser. Any browser will do, whether it's Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Type in the web address for the official Outlook website to get started. That's outlook.com. This is where you'll find Hotmail, as it was integrated into Outlook when Microsoft consolidated their services. Once you arrive at the Outlook homepage, look for the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right of the page. Clicking this will direct you to the Sign In page. If you've used Outlook on this browser before, you might see an option to sign in with a different account. You can use this option if you need to access an account that's not previously been used on this computer. Now, you'll reach a prompt asking for your email address. Here, you should enter your full Hotmail email address. Make sure there are no typos as you type in your address. This is crucial, as an incorrect entry could lead to issues accessing your account. Once entered, click Next. You'll then be directed to the password entry page. This is where you should input your password. Similar to your email address, enter your password carefully to ensure no errors. Remember, passwords are case-sensitive, so double-check that your caps lock key is off or on appropriately for your password needs. Once your password is confirmed, press the Sign In button. After clicking Sign In, you should be logged into your Hotmail account and have access to your emails. It's that simple. Your inbox will load, and you'll be able to check your messages, send emails, and organize your correspondence effectively. As a quick tip, if you are using a shared or public computer, remember to log out after your session to maintain your account's security. This ensures nobody else can access your email or personal information. Congratulations, you've followed the steps and successfully logged into your Hotmail account. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password entries for accuracy. This process should become second nature in no time. So there you have it, a simple way to access your Hotmail emails through Outlook. Thank you for joining me, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.